Alright, you guys, here's the thing. Here's the F7B frame. I'm going to do a little milling on this. It'll become clear later why I did this. But I'm going to point out one thing. There's a socket right there. We can't damage that socket, and we can't wreck it in any way. So we've got to go around it. And it'll become clear when we go to the wiring of why we're doing this. So let's go ahead and do it. We need to do this if we're gonna follow our plan. We need to do it anyways because the wires that come up from the bottom for the trucks, they're supposed to fit through this hole and then go loop around. And as you know, that was a no-go in the last thing that we did. So let's see if we can dial them in. Let's dial them in. All right. Now, let's get them set. All right. We're going to do just a little bit. Not a lot, just a little. Alright, that's not bad. We got to go down a little bit. Get in here. Take our paintbrush. Round off that corner just a little bit. We're going to go around him. All the way to the other side. All right, let's go back to the beginning. I see we can get down farther. Bring it down. And around. Okay, we got our little socket. We got our little socket protected. Around that corner. Okay, there you have it. Now I'm going to flip this around, do the same thing on the other side, and then I'm going to show you guys something that we've been thinking about, that we've been using for other stuff, but we haven't done yet. So let me flip them around and do the same thing. Milled. What we're going to do is we're going to deburr them. We got to get all of the flash off. So we'll just take some jeweler's files. We'll go around as much as we can with this flat one first. Everything will be good. Okay, then we're going to take a round like this, and we're going to go in and deburr these round pieces, just like that. Okay, you got to deburr them, because otherwise you're going to end up with these really sharp little pieces that do stuff that we don't want. Okay, now that we've done that, Guess what's up next? That's the thing.